Hey, what's up guys? 88 Rotors Off-Road back at it again with another Tundra compilation. We're gonna do a bunch of 3rd generation Tundras and throw in a couple 2nd gens as well. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing if you're into Toyota trucks and more. And if you guys are regulars here, well, welcome back and thank you very much for your continued support. We're gonna start off with this 3rd generation Lunar Rock Tundra that we're installing a King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilover and shock setup on with some cambered tubular uniball upper control arms. The wheels and tires on this one, we went with some RRW RR7H flowform wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset in matte black. For the tires, we went with a Toyo Open Country Hybrid RT tire in a 35 12.5 17. If you're looking for a good deal on some RRW wheels, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 wheels. Next up, we have another 3rd generation Tundra in magnetic gray metallic. This one went with the same King suspension setup, but with some cambered kinetic series billet upper control arms. For the wheels on this one, we went with the RR7V flowform wheels. The V series is the simulated beadlock wheel. This one right here is the matte black face with the gloss black ring. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. This white 3rd generation Tundra is going with our Dobinson IMS setup. This one right here was paired up with some cambered tubular uniball upper control arms on it also. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you'd like to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And back over to the MGM Tundra. Suspension setup has been installed along with the wheels and tires, everything installed and aligned, and is now ready for the customer to pick up. Next up, we have another 3rd generation silver Tundra. This one right here went with the King setup as well, with some billet upper control arms and the OME rear lift spring. As you can see, we do a ton of Tundras here, including 2nd generation ones like you see right here. This is a Quicksand 2nd gen that we just installed a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC. Over to the silver 3rd gen, we just installed the Method MR316s with a 35 12.5 Toyo Open Country AT3. This one's pretty much a wrap. We're gonna bring it out for a quick test drive and hand the keys back over to the customer. Hands down, one of the best and my personal favorite looking wheels is the RRW RR7V. It's an exclusive wheel that we have from RRW that you see right here. The RR7V is the same as the RR7H, but with a simulated beadlock ring. So if you don't ever plan on beadlocking your wheels and you want a more complete look, the RR7V is a great option for you. Once again, we did the Dobinson IMS setup on this one all around with some cambered tubular uniball upper control arms. RR7V wheels on here with some 35 12.5 17 tires. And since it's not a TRD Pro or TRD Off-Road model, we also did a differential drop on it. Here's another MGM 3rd generation Tundra that's in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC setup. We're installing the new Fox billet orange upper control arms on here as well. You can see the details here of the RR7V wheels, matte black face with the gloss black ring. Now available at 88 Rotors Off-Road in Baldwin Park or at our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. 2nd generation Tundra does not have enough tire clearance as the 3rd gen. We had to do a body mount chop to clear some 35s on that white one. These new Fox arms are fire. We have them in stock for the 3rd generation Tundras in the Fox orange that you see right here and also in a black finish. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to check us out on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and we do post on there daily. And for the 2nd generation Tundra, we're doing a set of Method MR305s that you see right here in double black, 18 by 9 plus 25. Our tech is seen here installing a differential drop for the 3rd generation Tundra that we're doing a Fox setup on. Here's what our finished body mount chop looks like on the 2nd gen Tundra. Now let's get to the details of the 2nd gen Tundra and the suspension setup. We're doing an iBox Stage 2R lift setup on this one with some cambered tubular delta joint upper control arms. For the rear end, we're doing lift shackles on it and adding an airlift system. The owner of this vehicle previously installed a set of side steps that take place of where we usually mount the 74,000 EZ management system at. So we had to modify a bracket and mount it underneath the vehicle on the driver's side. We ran all the power and air hoses back to the load lifter 5000 airbags in the rear end. We also installed a cradle so the airbags don't limit the droop at all. Next up, we have this Tundra that's in for a Dobinson IMS setup. We're going to pair the front up with some Icon billet delta joint upper control arms. And this MGM Tundra is coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. Here are some Method MR703s in a 17 by 8.5 size in a matte black finish. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tire. This is what a preload collar lift setup can do for you with some new wheels and tires. It completely changes the look without breaking the bank. You're still able to use your factory springs and shocks. Both of these 3rd generation Tundras are pretty much ready to go. We're going to bring them both out for a quick test drive. Here's another Tundra with a king and cambered kinetic lift setup. To gain about 1.5 inches of lift in the rear end, we installed a set of Old Man Emu rear lift springs. Here's a popular wheel from Method Race Wheels, the Method MR314s. This right here is a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset that we wrapped in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT hybrid tire. Here's a closer look at the front end suspension, king shocks with the cambered kinetics. Before this video ends, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Next one up, we have another white Tundra that just installed a 2.5 Performance Elite Series shocks with DSC and cambered tubular uniball upper control arms. Wheel of choice here are the SES Ray 10s. That's pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in and for your continued support. Until next time, take care, guys.